Welcome to Average Joe's Gym's Home Projects, where we do projects and maintenance at home that even an average Joe can accomplish. In today's episode, we are replacing the threaded end of this hose that my old cheap nozzle decided to weld itself to. I tried using wrenches to get it off, but all I accomplished is breaking the nozzle off at the threads. All you will need is a Phillips head screwdriver, a hose repair threaded male end available online or at your local hardware store, and a good sharp set of utility scissors or knife. As usual, links are in the description. Remember when I mentioned a good sharp set of scissors? These are not it. I got it, but halfway through the cut I realized they weren't as sharp as I'd hoped. This hose has an inner and outer lining. Make sure you put the new threaded piece inside both. If you bunch up the inner lining, it's going to partially plug your water flow. When you put the screws in, make sure you do a couple of turns, then switch to the other side. If you drive one in too far, you won't be able to screw the other side. The two compression fittings need to go on in a sandwich fashion, nice and flat. If you enjoyed this project, please check out our other projects on Average Joe's Gym's Home Projects, and like and subscribe for future projects.